Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, we will press 1, 2, 3. Let's learn colors name: black, blue, purple, orange, sky blue, pink, yellow, brown, green, violet, light green, red. Kids, this is black color. 1, 2, 3. Blue color. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, read again. 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.